Okay, so basically I have done the band. It's not perfect, but we're going to work on it later. For now, let's focus on the edges. We are starting with the edges. So my edges are kind of stubborn. I'm just going to use these to comb them out before I put the gel. Then I'm just gonna comb it and try to work with the shape, because of, so basically now my eyebrows are dry, so I'm just going to use this pencil to kind of like draw the shape of Dolores's eyebrows. Okay, so now basically I'll just use my concealer and conceal the eyebrows. So I'm gonna be looking down again. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to use a brown eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna pat it. And then I'm going to go in with a much darker shade. So I'll just put it on my inner corner right there. So as you can see, I've done my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to kind of like create a cat eye. So I'm just going. Then I'll go in with my eyeliner. Then I'm just going to make some strokes a little bit. Okay, so now I'm adding my mascara. Oh my goodness, wow, we're already getting there. So I'm just going to go on with some glitter. Yeah, I'm not sure use this palette. Yeah, I think this one is perfect. So I'm just going to put that right on top of it, just a little. So at this point I'm just going to add some blush, just a little bit. So pinkish. Okay, so we noticed that she's got red lipstick, so I'm just going to line my lips firstly. Wow, I love it.